Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see unbox video on Wi-Fi adapter which I bought recently from Flipkart. This is a TENDA Wi-Fi adapter. It is suitable for those PCs which do not have Wi-Fi connection. It comes with 3 years warranty and I have bought it for 400 rupees in Flipkart. But you can see the actual price is around 800 rupees. This product is worth as when I saw from the reviews in the Flipkart. This is a very worth product, so I have purchased it and now I am unboxing it. This is the Wi-Fi adapter from the company Tenda, and as usual there's a manual there for setting up Wi-Fi adapter in the PC. This is very simple steps. First you need to plug the Wi-Fi adapter into the PC, then you reinstall the software. After installing the software you can use it. The same thing they have repeated in different languages. That's it in the manual. Okay, let me plug the Wi-Fi adapter in my laptop. My laptop does not have Wi-Fi device inside it, so I have purchased this Wi-Fi adapter. Yes, you can see there is no Wi-Fi symbol in my laptop. It's a normal internet connection symbol there. I hope you can see this symbol correctly. uh, Let me switch to recording mode in my PC. I have plugged it in. Let's see. We need to install the software then. Okay, first let me switch to the recording mode. You can see the recording mode now. Yes, you can see normal internet connection, internet connection symbol there, and there is no Wi-Fi settings. There is no Wi-Fi icon. Okay, let me plug my Wi-Fi adapter. Actually, screen recorder is not supported in the previous laptop, so I have switched it to PC. Please don't get confused. But I am installing the same Wi-Fi. I'm plugging the same Wi-Fi device, TENDA Wi-Fi device. Okay, you can see the CD driver option has came, and we have to run the setup initially. You can see TENDA wireless USB adapter. When you give the run setup, the software will get installed automatically. The software has got completed. You can see the Wi-Fi symbol now. You can also see the Wi-Fi symbol. Previously there was just an interconnection symbol, and now you can see the Wi-Fi symbol, and there is no network is currently found. Let me turn on my hotspot in my mobile. It's detecting. For the first time, for the first hotspot, it's taking time. Okay, let me open it again. You can see the symbol Wi-Fi. I can see the pole and Wi-Fi now. Just I'm connecting it. The connection symbol is loading, and it will get connected in some 10 seconds around. Yeah, you can see it. The Wi-Fi is get connected now, but there is no internet access for this Wi-Fi. Okay, let me switch on the Wi-Fi which has internet connection. L- Let me wait. Yeah, you can see the Wi-Fi, another Wi-Fi which has internet connection. Let me connect to it. Superb, great. It has connected within around 5 seconds. This mentioned that the Wi-Fi adapter is very fast. Let me surf through the internet. You can see the Google page is getting loaded very fast. This means the Wi-Fi is very good. Overall, this Wi-Fi is a worth product for the rupees 400. You can go for it. That's it from my end. Bye guys.